FM Corner. I'm Danny Koontz, Director of Relationship Management for Windy City Equipment. Today's episode, we're going to speak about part one of a 2-series episodes that we're going to do. It's about inner strength. Do you have it? What is it? Inner strength is a combination of willpower, self-discipline, and staying power. Got to have the will. You got to have the will to want to make something happen. You got to have the self-discipline to continue to do it, continue to work at it. Nothing gets in your way. And you got to keep after it, staying power. Keep working. There's something at the end, so you got to keep working at it. That defines what inner strength is. It's the power to keep trying. You never give up. I'm not going to fail. I'm going to keep working at it. As long as there is a sliver of hope that it may end up being something, I'm going to keep pushing at it, and I'm going to keep working. You have to have that in you. You finish like what you start. Like you're a runner, and you're going to run 30 miles every day, or whatever it may be. You always run 30 miles. It's raining. Doesn't matter. I'm going to run 30 miles. It's 110 degrees today. Doesn't matter. I'm going to run 30 miles because I always run 35. I got 3 important calls I need to make. Okay, great, but I'm still running my 30 miles. Nothing stops. I don't only run 29 because today I don't feel good or whatever it may be. I don't change it. I keep doing it, whatever that may be. I'm going to do it every day. There is no reason that's going to keep me from doing it. So I continue. That's my staying power, to always do it. You don't cheat. You don't look for shortcuts. I'm doing it. Yeah, I could cut across here and be back to my house and cut 3 miles out of it, but I won't because I'm doing 30 miles every day. I'm not going to cheat. I'm not going to sugarcoat it. I'm going to keep going. It's that little voice inside your head that says, they're pushing. Keep going. Keep pushing. You're in control of this. You can get it done. Keep working at it. Many things that you work on seem like, man, it's never going to work. I'm never going to get this figured out and whatever. And people quit. And the more you quit, the easier it is to quit. You know, first day you don't go out and run your 30 miles because it rained. Well, then the next day's cold. Next day's dreary. And all of a sudden you miss 3 days in a row. You don't get it back because you've started accepting something less. You can't do that. Inner strength means keep going. It helps determine your success in business. I won't stop. I'm going to keep going. I'm going to do everything in my power to continue to push and to continue to seek the finish line. What's at the end? I'm going to continue to do that. Always. Whatever barrier comes into play, I'm going to go around it. If something happens to your child, an accident or whatever, and you're there and you're trying to help them, there's no barrier gets in your way. Not a car window, they're stuck in a car, or they might have got hurt in an accident. Whatever that is, you're going to do anything possible, but you are going to get to your child and you're going to get them the help that they need. There is nothing going to stop you because you see what's there. I've got to get to this, and I'm going to do it. No matter what it takes, nothing's out of line. I'm going to get it done. That's what inner strength is. You got to push. You got to keep pushing. There's a barrier comes up. No big deal. I'm going around it. I'm going to keep going because I'm going to finish. I'm going to find what that is. And I'm going to keep working at it until it gets done. You got to handle rough spots. Everybody has them. You encounter those and you deal with them. And you take care of them. You're working on self-improvement. How do I become better? These things that I'm working on and these things that I do are going to make me better. Does it happen overnight? Absolutely not. But I'm going to keep working on it because I'm aware of it. And for me to be better in my career, I have to be better at certain things. So I keep working. I keep working as you go through. You have to have the dedication to what you believe in. That's your inner strength. I'm dedicated to this. I believe in it. I'm going to keep working. So remember, keep going. Keep pushing. Willpower. Staying power. Whatever you need. Dedication. Keep pushing. Keep doing. Don't start shortcutting. It's like if you sit down with your son or your daughter and you have a question and you start talking about maybe they're in 7th, 8th grade. How you doing? I'm doing good. I'm doing 85 on all my tests. Okay. Didn't you used to do 90, 95? Yeah, but I'm doing 85. I'm good. 85 is your new normal. They'll be 80 pretty soon because you're accepting less and you're okay with that. Instead of, I'm making 85s and I really want to get back to 90, 95 or whatever that may be, and I'm going to continue working on that, is, no, I'm good. I'm accepting something less. It's not inner strength. Got to keep working at it. That's our episode for today. Stay tuned next week. We'll speak about part 2 of inner strength. Thank you very much.